CompanyCam is a B2B SaaS company that helps contractors and tradespeople build trust through truth and transparency via our application's job site documentation and communication features. We're based in Lincoln, Nebraska, and have about 200 employees. We were working with clunky, error-prone Excel spreadsheets that couldn't handle all the calculations needed to make better decisions for our business. While our finance team prefers to work with Excel, other users in the company prefer G-Sheets or other applications. We had a lack of consistent visibility into the business at the level needed to understand where we are and where we've been. We recently implemented a BI tool, and while BI tools are great, they aren't planning tools. They don't allow for collaboration or the ability to forecast. What we were trying to solve that spreadsheets couldn't accomplish for us was having a single source of truth for financial data, cross-functional planning that enables executives and business leaders across sales, marketing, success, support, finance to collaborate and plan together, moving the business in one direction, visibility into P&Ls, budgets, plans, people, etc., and the easy creation of what-if scenarios. We looked at a bunch of tools, but what stood out was Pigment's flexibility, the ability to adapt the models, flows to your business specifically, even if it's a little bit different from other businesses in your industry. The integrations were also huge for us. The ability to connect to Snowflake, our database, and other source systems and bring all that data into one spot for planning was huge. We also love Pigment's multidimensionality and the ease with which you can use one formula to calculate across multiple dimensions at once, and the momentum and direction of the product itself. It's clear that Pigment is constantly shipping updates to meet their customers' needs and improve the product to make it easier to do their jobs. We're seeing huge improvements in our decision-making support, both in quality and speed. Pigment has helped us move beyond a lot of manual processes we used to have to do and helped us focus on more value-added opportunities to support the business and its growth. What I really love about Pigment is the ease with which it can calculate across multiple dimensions, which reduces a lot of the effort we were putting into manually calculating those things in Excel or by other methods. Powerful, agile, limitless.